So man, yeah. You ready to kick out the jams? Everyone else has already filmed their parts. Don't worry, I told them yours is gonna be... You ready to go? There's a sick... I wanna see you pull... Alright. Good job. One of the other skaters was trying to gap the road for it. If you can nail a trick and land... Nice one. It's time to use those switch ups you've been working. Are you kidding me? You ready for the next clip? Try this. Looking good. Now you're gonna flip in, switch up. That's pretty poo. That was good. This is a really sick rail. Check it out. When you get near the top, just let gravity take over. If you can pull the... What was that? Let's keep going and check out this other stuff. Hey man, we're gonna hit 4 different spots here in DC today. Hit the quarter pipe and... Crap. Okay, check out this bowl, man. Looks like a pretty tight spot. Hit the wall there. Next, as you drop off the tent, I'll do any trick you want. Can you do something better? You nearly got it, man. Last spot for this shoot. Ollie off this. Close. There's some other cool spots we can hit here. Hey man, we're gonna session a few spots today for the video. This is the first spot we're gonna hit. Let's then ollie over. Finally, you can trick any. You have 15 seconds. Check out this. Fly over these. Grind this rail. We'll stop filming. Check out this gap. We set up a kicker so you can clear it. Just hit the kicker. Got another gap for you. This one's a hit the kicker and do any trick you want. We'll stop filming when you hit. Can you do something better?
Pro status is just around the corner.
Whoa!
Wow, man, that was so cool. Dude, you're famous.
Not too shabby, huh?
Hey, my man.
Hey, what's up, Nigel?
Hey, your part was tight.
Thanks, man.
What's up, superstar?
Arto! Hey, Arto.
Sup, Spencer?
Was I right about this kid or what?
Dude, he's got the best part in the video.
That's because I wasn't in it.
Yeah, right.
Seriously, that was an epic job. I'm proud of you, kiddo.
Hey, I just caught your video.